Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a website where you are going to get a lot of information, and this website is going to be very useful for you guys. So in this website, I'm going to tell you that how you can do paid courses in free of cost with free certification. Yes, you are going to get a certificate and where you are not going to pay any fee for the certificate. And this website is verified and being used around the world, and here you are going to see a lot of registered universities. So without wasting the time, I'm going to tell you about the website. So what is the name of the website? The name of website is Coursera. So simply you have to write the Coursera. Follow my steps for applying on the website. So I'm going to write here Coursera. Coursera, press enter. So click on this. So as you can see, I have opened the website of Coursera. I have already signed in, so this is the simplest step. Everyone is aware from that how you can sign in a new website. So now what you have to do, you have to simply search for the course. For example, I'm going to search for the course of a Photoshop and then write the Photoshop. You can search any of course. You can search for the any course. So as you can see, we are going to see a lot of Photoshop courses, and I'm going to here select some. As you can see here, we have a lot of courses. So what we have to do, we have to select any course according to our need. For example, I'm going to select this one, graphic design. Okay, and the name of university is University of Colorado, and now click on this. So as you can see, I have opened the website, and here on enroll for free. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on this. Let me show you, first of all, let me show you that what is the fee of this course, and then after that I will show you that how you can apply for the free. Now click on start free trial. As you can see, we have to pay $50 per month, and here is 7 days free trial, but we have to pay $50 per month. Now let me tell you that how you can get this course for the free. So simply what you have to do, here we have option of financial aid. As you can see here, we have option of financial aid. So simply you have to click on this option. After clicking on this, you have to continue to the application. After to the continuing to the application, you have to simply fill out this form, like college degree and annual income will be 0, employment status will be student, and after that you have to write this application and then approve this. I have already written this one, so simply you have to also write application like this, and after that click on the next. And now here you have to write the answer of this one. How will you select a course? You can get help from the ChatGPT for answering this question, and then accept this, and simply click on this. After clicking on this, after 15 days your application will be automatically approved and your course will be automatically started. So let me tell you that how you will know that your course is started or not. Simply you have to click on here. Simply you have to go to the profile, my profile. Simply, as you can see, after clicking on the profile, here going to the my learning. In my learning, you will see your course, your registered course, and which course you have applied. That will be in progress. If you have completed, that you will be in completed. I have completed some course, so here I can show you my certificates of those course. So these are some courses I have did from other universities. Like this is introduction to Google SEO, like this is introduction to CSS, introduction to computer and productivity softwares. View certificate, click on the certificate. Let me show you that how certificate looks like. Here's the certificate, and this is the simple, as you can see here, this is the simple certificate. Download on the certificate. So this is the simple certificate of your course. So I hope you guys understand this video, and now you can apply on any course you free of cost without investing your payment, without wasting your payment. So I hope you guys understand this video. See you in the next video.